So, what do you guys have planned for today? Oh, hi, Six Pack. I was thinking about you today. I'm actually loving this. Like, I'm in the park, Gatineau Park right now. I could get used to this every morning, somewhere in Gatineau Park, enjoying the morning on a dark desert highway. Yeah, it is freezing in the Canadian wilderness. I am seeing a new guy. I'm not trolling. Do you guys want to come for the ride? Let's name him. Okay. What country is he from? Figment. Figment of my imagination. Let's call him Figgy. Actually, I think there's another mystery outhouse around here. Look at, is that a dead rabbit? Oh yeah, Canadian winter. Woo! That should chill you to the bone. Oh yeah, here, see? A mystery toilets. Should we go investigate? Alright, are we gonna go check it out? Ew. Oh, it smells like fucking old turnips. It still smells. Shut up, squirrel. Oh, oh fuck. Oh. Baby, I don't like you, but I love you. These people like go and like harass, like they go like on a road trip to these people's house and like get a bullhorn. Hi, Autumn. Why are you still outside? Why don't you come back to the living room? No, I want to be outside. I'm getting my vitamin D. If you want to, I can save you. Oh, I can take you away from here.